Hello there, Game of Apps students and friends. First off, a very happy new year to you. A happy new year in 2021. It's now time for us to do the giveaway for our Game of Apps toque. I'm wearing one right here, you can see. This one I'm wearing is this model here with no fold. We have another model, this one here with a fold. So the winner gets to choose which one you want. Alright, so without further ado, let's do the draw. We have 37 valid entries. Remember, you had to subscribe, like, and comment on a video. So 37 entries. So I've set up my random number generator here, if you can see. So now we're going to do randomize, and let's choose. So the winner is, if you can see that, 23, and 23 is Salar. So Salar, you have just won yourself one of these Game of Apps toques. So we're gonna contact you through YouTube, and then we'll get this out to you. So congratulations, Salar. If you didn't win this time around, don't despair. We're gonna be doing quite a few more giveaways. We have a few more of these toques to give away and other prizes. So stay tuned, and please enter again, and we'll do another draw shortly. Again, congratulations, Salar, and Happy New Year to you all, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.